In this session, you will understand competitive landscape. What do we mean by competitive landscape? It is a business analysis which will identify competitors. Here the competitors can be direct competitors or indirect competitors. So understand, competitive landscape is all about identifying who are your competitors and understanding the competitors. It will also enable your organization to understand the vision, mission, core values, niche market, strength and weakness of your competitors. Understanding competitive landscape is not a simple matter. It requires competitive intelligence. You have to apply competitive intelligence. By carrying out detailed and in-depth investigation and analysis of competitor, your organization will be able to assess what are the strengths and weaknesses of competitors in the marketplace. So this will help your organization to implement effective strategies. Okay, so what happens as a result? The competitive advantage of your organization will improve. Let's try to relate this competitive landscape understanding with reality. Hyundai is a very important player in Indian automobiles car market. This company entered Indian car market when Maruti was the industry leader. But Hyundai developed deep understanding of competitive landscape. We know competitive landscape is all about identifying who are your competitors and understanding the competitors, right? Hyundai has identified its competitors: Maruti, Tata Motors, Mahindra and Mahindra, Toyota, Honda, Ford and so on. Hyundai has also developed good understanding of its competitors. In order to succeed in this competitive market, Hyundai comes out with new cars, improved models of existing cars year after year. It does this almost on a yearly basis to cater various segments of customers. Okay, so this is about competitive landscape. There are series of steps involved to understand competitive landscape. We'll see that in next session.